We are at Lakeside Lake. Bit of a sad day today, really. Lost 3 swans here. Wife came this morning and she noticed one just behind us down there. Looks like it's been attacked by a dog. And then the other 2 is over the island. We don't know any more information on that. That could be bird flu. But yeah, I spoke to Swan Whisperer, give him number, and he said it's Pluto, so there's Tango, look. What the hell are you? I've seen you before. Hello. You're new. Are you a snow goose? And there's another one here, look. Hello. And you're new. And I'm getting attacked here by 9Y17. Yeah, they're new. So yeah, every time we do come down and film, and Swan Whisperer will tell you the same, nobody, hardly anybody, puts the dog on lead anymore around here. So it's basically just letting them run after swans and stuff like that, and that's what's happened with this one. I'll try and get some pictures of the council doing what they were doing. But yeah, it's sad. We need everybody to put the bloody dogs on leads, because this is going to keep happening. Hello. Never seen you 2 before. Beautiful, aren't you? Hey. So yeah, avian flu is about. So I've been on Facebook, and there's one place they've lost 20 swans today with the flu. So the thing is try not to touch any swans or waterfall, and obviously wash your hands after. I'm quite busy today, look. I've never seen them 2 before. Beautiful. Yeah. And you keep pecking at me, don't you? So yeah, we need to get the message out there for people to really start putting the dogs on leads. Otherwise this is going to keep happening. I've got an update on Swan Whisperer. It must be around 3 or 4 weeks in a wheelchair. But anyway, he's carried on strong. He's now in crutches, doing really well. But yeah, he's doing well for anyone who's subscribed to him as well as mine. Yeah, what a weird day. Yeah. But these 2, let me know what these are in comments, guys. I'm sure they're snow geese. Snow goose. I'm not too sure. Never seen them down here. I don't know if you have, Swan Whisperer. And you keep pecking at me. Yeah, they're beautiful, them. Yeah. So yeah, thought I'd buy a coffee, come down and tell you the situation. I can see feathers from here, where it's just there, look. I have got a video, I won't be sharing it because it's not very nice. I can take a picture at tag and try and show you a picture of the council coming down. We need awareness, we need people, seriously. It even says to put your dog on leads and nobody listens. And this is what happens. It's always here, look. So the first come here, they let the dogs off here, the next minute they're running after swans, and if they catch them, they're dead. But a lot of the time they do get out at weight in water. Well, I don't know why people don't just put them on lead. When I come round, I put them on lead. Yeah, sad day today. I can have a look at you two. Aren't you strange, eh? I've never seen you before. Wonder where you've come from. Oh, Canada geese here as well, look. So yeah, Swan Whisperer, you're doing well, mate. You seem to be recovering well. Keep doing what you're doing. You're definitely new as well. So you don't have white around your face, you've more brown. So if you look at these, more white, or cream, whatever you want. Yeah, stunning. They probably won't be here for long, they always pop in and just go. Sun setting over there, look. So yeah, I hope I've said enough because I always forget what I want to say. I'm not the best behind cameras. What they could do here is a fence all the way around here with a couple of gates. But then again, they'll only leave gates open. Hello. I'll get you some food in a minute. Yeah, you two are beautiful. Look at you. I'm going to take a guess at snow geese, but if anyone knows, hello. Yeah. So yeah, Ellie and Nate. It's fine. Here's Nate. Look. So yeah, a bit of a shock. The flu doesn't seem to have hit this lake too bad at the minute because everyone seems fine. But we are unsure of what happened on that island. No, we don't know numbers. Yeah, it seems fine here. Right, I thought I'd let you know. Hopefully I've said what I need to say because it's very hard to remember what you want to say. I'll tag the Swan Whisperers channel in my description. He should be back before spring, definitely. Give him a subscribe, guys, and you'll probably see us down here more often. And we'll see you on the next video. Let's say goodbye to these, because I don't think these will be here tomorrow. I'll see you on the next video.